Okay, guys, I have another sweet pair for you. This is another analysis for the week. So whichever of these analysis you see, that you see to take as your entry or as your pair for the week, and you see an entry, you see a confirmed um what do you call it, an entry that aligns with your checklist or your criterias for entry, then you take the trade, all right? So this is the third one. Welcome to Just FX Pro YouTube channel. So I would encourage you to please subscribe and also drop your bell notification, and so that in case I drop a video, you would also know, right? So let's quickly dive into it. Please like this video and comment. Drop your comments. I would love to see your own ideas of what we're doing here, what I'm doing here, right? Okay, so overall, we have markets in a downtrend. You notice it's been creating series of a high, low, a high, a low. So this was the last point where it broke out to a low. So we're ranging between this point and this point. But at this point, we have a zone here. This is a zone. It's a zone area. So we know that markets, after this tapping on this zone, market shifted direction and is going downward. So this market overall could be on a push to either this point here. We could see market get to this point. Let me clone this so I could use this. Yeah, we could see market get to either this point after the whole retracement. So it may come back to this point. Is there a zone here? Yes, there is a zone. There is actually a zone there. So let me just go put it there. Where there's the zone. Yep. So there's a zone here. So we could see market come back to tapping on this zone here. Right. So it's just a point of entry. It's just a point of, if you took this trade, then your TP should be around here, or your swing, your ranging, your lower ranging line, right? So right now, at this point, market has taken a low. You notice how market created a high, created a low, took the low, took the high, came back to take the low. So we're waiting for something like this to happen, either like this to happen and come back here and close. So we're going to see an entry from somewhere around here. Okay, so this is currently what we're waiting for to happen. During the week, market may now finally come to somewhere around this point to take it. So, but on the daily, we have this daily order block and we have this daily fair value gap, which is above our break of structure point. Let me just type this as a break of structure so you see. So which is above our break of structure point. So you're looking to trade from above the point where it broke from, right? So we're going to do like a 50% retracement or thereabout. I don't know where this market is going to go from, but I kind of have a strong feeling it wouldn't get to this daily order block, but that's just a feeling. We're not trading with our feelings. We're trading what we see in the market. So we are following the market. So at this point, the daily order block, daily fair value gap is here, and the daily order block is here. Just go to set this thing so you watch it. So if we break it down to a 4 hours time frame, we're trying to make sure to see how market goes to our area of interest. If it trends to this point, then we wait for entry. We wait for a break of structure. So we have series of fair value gaps on 4 hours. Remember the pink lines or pink boxes are fair value gap. The green boxes are order blocks. All right. So we have another block on 4 hours here. This was the last order block before the break of structure. So it's possible to get there. We have two other fair value gaps points. So we have all this put together. If market gets here without trending, trade it back. If it gets here, if it trends to any of these points, we wait for a break of structure, then trade it. All right. So, but however, this is the setup for the week. This is one of the setup for the week. Um, Please do well to follow. Follow these setups. Follow the setups. If you see an entry, I'll also drop an update, trade update on these particular pairs that I'm calling out for the week. All right. So see you guys in the next video.